How to add a favicon in your Shopify. Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you that how you can add a favicon to your Shopify store. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step, and let's dive into the video. First, you have to come to your home page, and here you have to go to this online store option. Once you click this online store option, click themes and let the interface load the themes section for you. Once it's loaded, I'll come back. So here you can see that my theme section is opened. Here I'm going to click this customize, and once I click this customize, here the page is loading. Now here you can see that my store and the favicon is a globe over here. We have to choose a icon for this and change this. Now here you can see that these are some options, but you have to go to this theme settings. If it's not over here, it might be somewhere over here. So just click this themes settings and then just click logo, and once you click logo, here is this logo image area, and this is the favicon image area. You can see over here this is the favicon image area. So just select the image over here or explore free images over here. You can always choose from here or just upload one from your library. You can just choose any one of these that you want. For example, I'm going to choose women's fashion, and then you can choose any of the favicon image that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this one and click select, and then you can see that I have uploaded this image over here. And now if you want to change it, you can click change over here and just select from library, explore free images, remove the image, or if you want to, or connect dynamic source. So just click save, and once you click save, it's going to the favicon is going to be updated. So just reload this page, and let's see. Here you can see that my favicon has been uploaded over here. So that's the easy process that you can use to add a favicon to your Shopify store. And I hope you liked the process, and if you found it easy, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.